I'm going to show you how to transform your Windows 11 into stunning liquid glass look inspired by the Apple's liquid glass. To get started, we will need few files. You can download all of them from the link in the video's description. First, set this wallpaper as your background. This instantly gave Windows that smooth, glossy and liquid glass vibe. Next, let's make the file explorer transparent. Open the Explorer Mica blur folder and run the registry file inside it. You will see a pop-up asking you to subscribe to Waqzite. Just kidding, but you can subscribe down below. Anyways, once the file runs, File Explorer becomes transparent, clean and beautiful. Now it's time to upgrade the taskbar. Install the software called Windhawk. After installing it, open Windhawk, go to Explore, find the Windows 11 taskbar styler mode. Open its detail and install it. Then head to Settings, open the drop-down under Theme. Select the window glass theme and click Save Settings. Let's make the taskbar icon bigger for that premium look. Install taskbar height and icon size. Open its settings and apply these values. Taskbar height is 70, icon size is 30, button width is 40, small icon size is 20, small taskbar button width is 30. Click Save Settings and your taskbar instantly look bold and modern. And there you have it, your very own liquid glass Windows 11. If you want to go back to normal, no problem. Open the Explorer Mica blur folder and run the uninstall registry file. Your original File Explorer will be restored. To reset the taskbar, simply open Windhawk and remove all of the mode that we installed earlier. Finally, go to Settings, Personalization, restore your old wallpaper and you are done. But before you go, check out these 20 amazing Windows 11 hacks you might be interested in. See you there. Until then, peace.